Down here working on my Townsend, Aspen, and Deere vehicles. Head trimmer mounted on my arm. Let me show you how this works real quick. Raise the boom, left, right, dipper up and down, and we got this vertical, horizontal. Plowed on here to keep the tree branches from getting in front of the vehicle. A saw and axe to clear tracks, and we got a weed spray. Over here's a pole saw. We got our plow in the front to keep the tree branches from getting in the way. Got our lever to propel the vehicle forward. Same on that one. It's me, left-handed propelled. We got our axe, lopping shears. Need to get a saw for this one. 16 to 18 foot pole saw. And extends. We got our outer and our stinger, our circular saw. It's going to go on the end of that. One function, boom function, dipper function, vertical horizontal function, and then we got a cut. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things for that. Plus you need a raise and lower for the plow at 6. This makes 7 in the hand controls, and then you got a 7, 8 for your weed spray. Plus you need brakes, so that's 9. For saw, 1. Extend, 1. Raise and lower, that could be 1 function, that's 3. Drive, 4. Raise and lower plow, 5. I'd say about 5 or 6 functions for this one. This is a mechanical nightmare. But Brian Roper will pull it off like he always does. Electromagnet here, we don't have part of the electromagnet yet. I think John Deere stocks electromagnet. I think you'd have to buy the excavator or whatever, take it to a specialist and say, I need this electromagnet. It has to pick up this heavy of an object from this distance. Plus, you don't want to give people cancer, so it can't be any stronger than this. So here's our logos. You got the Aspen for this one. We got the giraffe for that one over there. We got Townsend Tree Service. And if you come here, and over Norfolk Southern. When you come over here, we got all our colors for our giraffe. We got our John Deere colors with our authentic John Deere color paint. Got our Aspen colors. Plus, we got everything all stocked up. So, I can paint these vehicles and make it look authentic. Just like the real giraffe, all-terrain tree trimmer, except mine's going on a train track. Which I don't think that there is any vehicle out there that does that yet. It still needs the support piece, just like the real thing. It's going to go up, and I'm going to have this. We're going to cut the giraffe logo out of there, the giraffe wording out there. Then we'll paint the giraffe right next to it.